had a very fantastic moment. We traveled safe. All the places that we went, we were received very well. And also, just want to congratulate the UNSCR for supporting these people, and also our government for supporting us. And of course, IOC for giving that support to make athletes possible for them to run. So our athletes came back as heroes because they were representing millions of other refugees in the whole world.
Yeah, actually it was a good moment for me because, you know, it is my first time to meet with other people around the world, athletes. And now we share different life story, even the life of running. It gives us hope whereby now we know that we can do something as a refugee.
For me, I feel very excited to be back in Kenya and continue with my training.
How was your experience?
My experience, the place was so nice, and I really enjoy a lot because you are meeting with so many different people all over the world.
Okay, it was so excited. As you know, that was the thing that we have been waiting for. I was so happy to be there and meeting with different people, see many places which were very wonderful. Yeah.
We feel very proud because since we start our journey, we didn't have any problem. So now we reach here, so we are so happy.
The time we are there, we interact with so many guys. So it is very important that you know so many people, so that in future it will help you to interact with others.